G'day. And so the reason I bought these spaces is that new Aston Martin front axle assembly that I purchased had been opened and the spaces had been removed. Now you couldn't see through the bag that was the case, because the bags, well, you can see that bit, how good that is. That's what the bag would have been like originally, but the bag was very well knocked around. But there was a clue when I opened the packet up, and this is the box that come in, but you can see there, they're the staples from the other axle, the Porsche MMC61 axle. So, and the Aston Martin MMC57 had these tiny little staples, and you can see there's extra holes. So somebody opened the packet up and removed there's extra holes. There should only be, you can see the much smaller staple there, the original staple. They removed the spaces. So luckily on eBay there were these, the 3mm ones should do the trick. I reckon that's the size they're actually meant to be. So yeah, that's why I had to buy spaces. Oh well, that happens. See you in the next video.